Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life, progressive overloads. When you're working out, you got to think about this term, progressive overloads. And you may have heard this because it's pretty common out there. But what does it really fucking mean, progressive overloads? And what does it mean for different populations, for people like myself, who is, in his early 60s, who wants to get back into shape, or you're in your 50s or your 40s or whatever the fuck you are, deconditioned. It means a whole different thing if you're a conditioned athlete or you've been working out. For me personally, and what I would consider for anyone, if I was training you and you're a deconditioned person and you're just trying to get back in the groove, or you're a little bit older, whatever the fuck it is, progressive overload, all it means is just slowly increasing whatever you're doing, either the weight or the amount of reps that you're doing. That's all it is. It's really simple. You can use bands to increase your push-ups, which I do all the time, or I vary the number of push-ups that I do, because I think push-ups are one of the key elements for my personal self. I mean, that's one of the things that I do every day. But it depends on how you're feeling, because I will get an elbow little contraindication, a little bit of a overuse injury going on, and I'll feel it, I'll see it, and it's like, okay, enough. You got to kind of knock it off. So with the progressive overload, you have to be really careful with this. So all you want to do is just slowly, very slowly ratchet up your work. Either increase the weight just by incremental changes, or increase the reps by just a couple of reps, and just keep track of the stuff. That's all it is for progressive overload. Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. Stick around, because the next couple of months I got a new one coming out, a marketing campaign called Is 65 Your New 35? It depends. You're going to want to see this. It's coming. I'm Papa Tom. Have a great day, everybody. Peace out. Love y'all.